guys, it's me, Seashell Family Pack, and today we are going to do American Girl Doll room for the first time in my whole life. Beyond. I'm sorry about that. It's at night and I can't even think. Sorry about that. But today I'm going to make a room for my new American Girl doll coming in the mail. And it's re-back ordered, wherever it is. But I hope that it is coming soon, because I am just flattering of being so excited to make the room. So let's get to it. Enjoy. Okay, first we are going to do the desk. So let me hop right here. Cameraman, follow me. Follow me in her room. Okay, there we go. So I put it right on the side of here. And here's it. Sorry about that. And here's accessories.
Say, if they've been watching our channel, they know you cough.
Yeah.
And they know that I fart on camera.
Okay, so I have this chair, but this isn't the chair that's going to go here. I'm just putting it on so I can hold all the accessories. So here goes in this drawer. Sorry, man. It's broken. So this goes in her drawer. This is usually her school drawer. And in here she's going to have her flashlight. I don't know why, but that's that. And then, hold on. Oh, and her pen. Of course, her pen. Then her necklace. She always loves to wear her necklace. So that's it for that. And then down here, she has her water bottle, her sunscreen. I don't know why she had that in there. But here's her passport when we ever go on vacation on a plane.
Out of the country.
Yeah.
You don't need a passport if you stay in the United States.
Yes. So that's it for that drawer. Sorry, that was quick. But
It needs to be quick. People also know that Daddy never has a lot of time on his camera.
Yes, just who cares about that? And here's her laptop. That opens up. Put that right there. Don't mind that, people.
Oh man.
I don't mind that. Don't mind that. Okay.
The tape has not held together.
No, not at all. Hold on. Let me just.
We'll have to do some repairs before
There.
she gets here.
So, and then you put her fuzzy, nice, wheelie chair into there, and you hook on her backpack. Usually her backpack for school and everything like that. So then, I put up sometimes her lunch, maybe sometimes. Then you put it up in this drawer. And inside we have little mac and cheese.
Wait, carrot.
Yum, what's for dinner? Mac and cheese. Domino's for dinner tonight.
Look how big Meatsy!
Okay, nobody knows her name.
Yeah, dude, they seen the kitten video. And she was in our other video where we did the Deuce Dares.
Yes. Go watch that. Comment down below.
Yeah, we
What's
get
your
paid.
favorite part?
We get paid now, so like it up and subscribe.
Yes. And hit the bell button every time we
Post a video.
new videos.
You'll know.
Every day.
No, I don't think so.
Maybe we could start it on vlog. You know?
How am I supposed to make a video with a cat licking my hands?
And guys, coming up a new video about my new little sister.
Oh yes, we have a new edition. I forgot. Well, I didn't forget.
And here's her books, her textbooks that my friend made me. I'm not telling her name. It's her, you know that. So no more questions in the comments.
If you want to know who did it, go watch the pool video.
Yep. I'm right next to that person jumping. And here's my math book. Her math book, not mine. I just went to school today. We had a Valentine's Day party, but that's that. Who cares? I survived book. I don't know why she made that for me. But and here's her science book.
You know you're only going to have time to, like, do the bed and,
Shush.
We're already at 5 freaking minutes.
Oh my god. You have to pause it.
Now I have to pause it.
Okay, well, we'll see you in the next one. Well, not video, but next
clip.
scene. And we're back. So now I just made the bed. I'm gonna make the bed. Here's the mattress, the blanket. Here's her sleepover pillow that I put her in her bed. Here's her regular pillow. This pillow. Last but not least, her emoji pillow and her doll. Next is her flower, butterfly, whatever you can call it. Now is the computer stand. And we have her computer stand that she has all of her tests at home are in. That right in. So, and I got this from a friend in the pool video. She has an American Girl doll too. And the light goes on and off.
She even went to New York to the store.
Yep.
That's where we're supposed to go. And then I might try to make a video.
And up here is her dresser.
Oh!
Meltdown here.
Oh, man. My foot. She broke my toe.
Okay, that's $100 off my paycheck.
Yeah.
Okay, here's her dresser.
Cameraman liability.
And I'll put that right next to her desk. Let me switch this desk a little. There. Keep that up. And then...
Let's take a tour of the room then. I'll get real close to everything. So they can see what the room is going to stay like.
Here's that. And here is her little box. That is a chair.
That can be a chair, yeah?
Could be a chair. And it has a secret apartment.
Ooh.
Wonder what's in there.
It's a secret. Okay, now you step out so I can show them a close-up view.
Oh, and some luggage bags.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, you need.
Place them somewhere. All right. This is what the room is going to look like until she gets here. And then when she gets here, we'll do another one.
Maybe.
All right, hop back in there and say goodbyes.
Okay, guys. Hope you hit that bell button and like button and subscribe. Bye, guys.